Hello, now that you have received this CD, you may be wondering what you want in CXC Mathematics. Well, to help you find out what you can do to get what you want, first of all, remember you can get smarter, faster using these techniques. Yes, get smarter, faster every day. Now, there are 9 major topics in CXC Mathematics. Let me expand this image so you can better see what's available. There are 9 major topic areas. For example, number theory, consumer arithmetic, sets, measurements, statistics, algebra, relations and functions, vectors and matrices, geometry and trigonometry. What we have done is we have created modules, that is separate packages for each one of these major topics. It's like different chapters in your textbook covering the different topics, so that you can choose which one you want to start using immediately. But before you start choosing which one you need or which one you want, you need to ask yourself a number of questions. What stage are you in your studies? Are you in the 3rd form, 4th form, or is it grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, whatever? Depending upon which stage you are at, you need to know what topics are being covered in the school year, in the particular term, so that you can be ahead of what's being done in class and you get the corresponding module. You also need to take into consideration what was your last performance like in mathematics. Your last results, did you do well? Did you pass or did you fail? What are your areas of weakness? Which topic area you want to focus on? Is it statistics? Is it algebra? Which one? You need to choose. If you have the syllabus with you, or if you have a textbook, or if you know what is being covered in this term, then you can get the corresponding module related to what's being taught in class. This will help you to get the relevant material to study with. Okay, now having decided what you want, you can send us an email saying that you need a module on, say, consumer arithmetic or measurements or statistics or whatever. Now the next thing is to help you master mathematics very quickly. In order to get smarter faster, you can create organizers such as this. Since you have a laptop or a desktop, you probably have Windows, Microsoft Office installed on your system. Now you can use the smart art in PowerPoint to create similar type of diagrams or organizers. Why? Because organizers help you to retain more information for a longer time. Now when you create an organizer such as like this one here, you can easily remember where topics are. For example, the major topic would be in the center there. It could be algebra, it could be geometry, could be whatever topic you're studying. And now you need to know the key terms and their definitions. Take out your notebook, create a graphic organizer, identify 3 or 5 key terms related to that topic. You need to memorize the key definitions of those key terms. What are the key concepts in, say, algebra? What are the key operations? Multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. What key formulae are related to the topic? And what key questions are related to that topic? Now, they don't teach you this powerful learning strategy in schools. because most teachers don't know it. However, you have the opportunity of learning and using this powerful technique. It will enable you to recall information quickly and accurately. Why? Because your brain is hardwired to process information visually. You are more likely to be able to recall this image, this graphic organizer, than to recall these separate phrases, key terms, key definitions, key concepts, and so on. If you were to pause the video and look away from your screen and visualize this graphic organizer, you'd be able to recall the information in these graphic sections there. That is why using graphic organizers will boost your performance in any topic, especially in mathematics. Then you need to ask yourself questions. Write out a list of 4 or 5 questions related to that particular topic. It's algebra. A lower order questions is something like, what is a term in a mathematical expression? Or what are the operations in algebra? The operations are multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Then you need to go on to higher order questions. The important thing is you need to write out the questions in your notebook and find answers to those questions. For example, definitions of key terms. What are the definitions? What are the key concepts? Identify them. When you do so, you will boost your performance because you'll be able to recall this graphic organizer and where the information is placed, because your brain is hardwired to find information in specific areas. Okay, now the modules are available in different formats. First and foremost, you can download this image here. Reminds you can download from our website free trial versions of certain topics. Trial versions. What that means is you can test drive or see how it works by actually using the application, and so get a sense of the look and feel of the application and how it works for you. We've designed these applications to work on your desktop, your laptop, your your tablet, and some even work on your smartphones. Okay, they are available on flash drives. What we'll do is we'll install them on the flash drive. You take them anywhere and you use it on any laptop or any computer and so on. They're also available. Well, you receive this CD with sample lessons showing you how it works and showing you how to use the applications there on CDs. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see previews of some of the applications and previews of certain lessons. So you get a good idea of what is available and how to get it. Enjoy.